Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to show you how you can connect Octopus Deploy to your Azure DevOps environment. So here I am inside my Azure DevOps environment, and the first thing that I actually have to do is head on over to the Visual Studio Marketplace and grab the Octopus extension to install into my Azure DevOps organization. So in the marketplace, I click on Get It for Free because this is a free plugin that you can plug into your Azure DevOps environment. And then it'll ask me where I want to install it. If I have multiple Azure DevOps organizations, then I'll get the drop-down list as you can see here. So I'm going to pick the organization that I want to install it on. So after a few minutes of working through the wizard, I now have the Octopus Deploy extension or integration installed on my Azure DevOps environment. So I head back in to Azure DevOps and I click on Project Settings. I then find Service Connections and click on Create Service Connection. Within this list, you can see we have a ton of other services that we can connect, and if we scroll down, we have Octopus Deploy now because we've installed that extension. So when we're creating the service connection, we need a few bits of information. So we need the URL for our Octopus Deploy environment. So I type in my Octopus URL, and now I need an API key from Octopus. So I head on over to my Octopus Deploy environment. I click on Profile and then My API Keys, and I'm going to create a brand new API key. I give it a name so that I understand what this API key has been created for. And then I set an expiry date. Best practice is to set an expiry date, but I can understand why some people will set them to never expire because it can make life a little bit simpler. I now take my API key and put it back into this service connection within my Azure DevOps. I give my service connection a name, and I could give it a description as well if I wanted to for more information for other people to see. I then click the grant access permission to all of my pipelines so that all of my pipelines will have access to this service connection, and click on Save. I now have Azure DevOps and Octopus Deploy connected together, so I can create my CI pipeline within Azure DevOps and then push my packages, my artifacts or whatever I have created across to Octopus Deploy to then continue with my CD part of my pipeline and my DevOps operation. Thank you so much for joining. If you did enjoy this video, please do smash that like button, and hopefully I'll catch you for another video.